Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming updates and permissions. Open Roblox, check for the latest client, and grant camera access in your OS settings. Once done, close background apps to free RAM and CPU. Face tracking needs responsive resources. Plug in a wired webcam or test your built-in camera in another app so you know it works. Make sure your microphone and camera aren't blocked by privacy settings. This prevents conflicts. Now, restart Roblox so changes take effect and move to configuration. You now configure tracking inside Roblox. Open avatar or emote settings and turn on face tracking. Then, set your camera resolution to 720p or lower to reduce processing. Lower resolutions reduce lag and false negatives. Adjust Roblox graphics to a balanced preset and disable overlays or GPU scaling because those distort input timing and cause jitter. If using a virtual camera, switch to the physical device. Once configured, test a short emote to confirm the avatar mirrors your. Finish by testing in a private server so you can observe latency and expressiveness without interference. If tracking still fails, reinstall Roblox and update or reinstall your camera drivers because corrupted software often blocks input. Make sure lighting is even. Overhead backlight causes body tracking errors. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different camera. If that works, the original hardware was the issue. If nothing helps, capture logs and contact support with steps you already completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.